Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're not new, wagwan YouTube family. In today's video, I'm going to be making some Valentine gift baskets for kids. It's the season of love, so let me show you what I got going on. Hopefully you enjoy this video, maybe get some tricks and tips. So the bag that I'll be using is this nice Valentine cellophane bag, and of course we need the goodies to put in the bag. So we have some random goodies, and we'll be making gifts for boy and girls. This is some LOL, nail polish, Paw Patrol, slime, all the good stuff that you can find. Gather them together. This is also a gift package that we're going to be using. How cute is this? Let me show you how it looks once it's open. So this is the pink one. This is how it looks once you put the box together. How cute is this? I got these from Temu. My mom purchased these and she sent me some, so you can find that on Temu. I also have this big, nice, elegant, beautiful packaging that I'm going to use also to put some items in. I think I'm going to use this for the meal. We also have the traditional basket, so you could go ahead and use this. But the more fun and creative your packaging are, the better. Okay? This I got locally, and this we got on Amazon. So you could shop around. This is more expensive. I'm also going to be putting some flip-flops in the baskets as well. I have candy, chocolates, snacks, drinks. So guys, I already showed you a few of the items that we'll be putting in the gift basket. This is just a quick overview. So these are the candies that we're using. These are the chocolates. We have the snacks, drinks, few toys, LOL, Paw Patrol. And these are the packaging we'll be using for this video. We have 3 different types. We have the traditional baskets, we have the purse gift boxes, we have these larger gift set, and these are the bags that we'll be using. We have the bows right here, and that's it. So let's get started. So this is me putting the basket together. This is how it looks so far, and I just play around with the position of the items in the basket to make sure everything fits, but all the important items are displayed properly and make it entertaining, and you know, like, yeah, I want that. It looks cute. I also have these balloons that I'm going to add to the basket to give it an extra volume and an extra spiciness. It's going to be so cute. I'm going to show you what it looks like at the end. But because these are balloons and they're going to deflate before the orders go out, I'm not going to put these on until it's closer to the date that I need to deliver the baskets to the customer. Yeah guys, I have the balloon pump here. This is what I use. Very inexpensive but very effective. Aren't these cute guys? So cute. So I'm going to use this for one of the boy basket, and I'm going to use this for one of the girl basket. I think it's going to be super cute. So guys, this is how it looks once it's put together and packaged and tied with some nice bows. The bags definitely give it an extra flair. As you can see, the hearts all over the bag. It's really cute. So if you have the options to do this, don't use the plain bags. Definitely get the ones with the heart. But if you want to stand out, go ahead and get the balloons and add the balloons to your gift package, and it will definitely elevate your gift package. Look how beautiful these are. I love it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment sections.